pass and go at Winterset. The riders head out downtown. Figured I'd get a coffee before I go. Head out. It is Tuesday at 8 o'clock. Today's a short day, 40 miles. Lovely Winterset. Water tower.
Looks like everybody decided to be today.
Leaving Winterset. Traffic congestion. this is coming. And I'm just walking back just because of the amount of people here. 5 miles to the meeting town. Today's a very short day. I think it's scheduled to be 39 something, but I have a feeling it's going to go over that because yesterday was supposed to be only 68. I ended up doing 75. So, and 500 feet more climbing, 2,500 versus 2,000. So they could be underestimating on purpose. I don't know, but today's going to be kind of a rest day, I think, for most of us, or party night.
Missouri.
So here we are in Norwalk, Iowa. This is the meeting town. Again, since today's a short day, I think this is the last town before we make camp for the night in Indianola, which is going to be a rather big city by RAGBRAI standards. I think it's the biggest one next to Burlington or Council Bluffs, which would be, you know, across from Omaha, so that would be pretty big. So basically what they do is they take over the town square and have all the vendors there. You can see all the people coming up.
This band here is called Knocked Out Cold. Let's hear it for Knocked Out Cold. We're going to do another 5 songs. And another band called Rock is going to be our.
Of course, we have pie.
With ice cream too, please. No more Dutch apple. Okay, I'll have the cherry crumble. Can I have ice cream?
That looks good. Spike up.
You got it.
Thank you. Is that easy?
Can I have a fork or a spoon or something?
Sure, I can.
Great.
I had more strawberries and I just didn't. I ran out of time. I know.
When I hear the train from Indiana on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy. When I hear that train from Indiana.
Good, good. Supposed to try Thelma is supposed to be pretty good. A lot of these places, they follow a lot of these companies like Carbo Hut, Thelma's. They come to the meeting town. I don't know if they're at the end of the night, but I know they go to the meeting town. You have the downs, but you also have the ups. And the music, but it's clouds are amazing. Rumble strips. Looks like we got a turn up here. I'm gonna put this away. Signals for slowing down. Horn. This is one of the bumpier sections of road. What happens is this morning they load up these 2 tractor trailers, the red and the blue one there, with your bag. You throw it on yourself, and then there's time stamps here on the card. It says, you probably can't see it, but it says 5:30, 6 o'clock, and then right here is 6:30. Looks like a lot of the early riders have already picked up most of their stuff, and then I think that truck closes. This is the divider, and then this is the second truck, which leaves at 8. I think the first one leaves at 7:30, and this one leaves at 8. And then they check your tag. What I realized is the way I had my backpack and then carry-on, but my carry-on bag wasn't big enough to hold all my stuff, so what I decided to do is I bought a duffel bag at Pro Bass Shops, and that gave me a lot more space to give them. They do weigh it the first day. It needs to be under 50 pounds, which mine was like 36, so it's fine. I'm gonna go do my laundry hopefully.